Welcome back, everyone. We've got a first alert weather day on our heels for tomorrow and into Saturday morning. We're going to jump right into your forecast here as this system is developed and moving out of eastern Montana into western North Dakota at this time, even into parts of South Dakota, seeing some light rain for the time being. But we're going to see this transition first into some wintry mix and then into some snow. A few of our westernmost counties of eastern North Dakota may be seeing a little bit of light drizzle at this time, and that's expected over the next few hours. So overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning ahead of the main system. Could see some freezing drizzle or some light liquid drizzle. But overall this evening, most areas expected to be quiet and temperatures still very mild. Heading into daybreak tomorrow, again, just a little bit of light precipitation with snow starting to move into the Devil's Lake Basin. This is 7:15 tomorrow morning, the latest model data pushing that in. And it's going to be slow to overspread the valley. We have a layer of dry air to overcome, so it's going to take a little bit longer for the system to start moving. By lunchtime, still most of us pretty quiet in terms of precipitation, but it's going to be overcast. It's going to be breezy as well. Then here it comes, starting to move into the mid-afternoon hours by drive time of our Friday afternoon, getting ready to kickstart your weekend. Remember those winter driving skills, especially across the northern valley and out to the west. A little bit of light snow starting to move into the far southern valley, but it's going to take a couple more hours for it to really start moving in. And look at those winds as well, picking up out of the northwest as the snow is falling and behind the snow too, even into Saturday morning. That's when I expect the strongest winds to be, right behind the snowfall. We could see gusts over 40 to maybe even 50 miles per hour. Taking a look at our snowfall potential, lesser amounts to the south and east. The snow is going to arrive there later and exit quicker. Here in Fargo, right around 1 inch to 2 inches of snowfall, a little bit more to the north and in northeastern North Dakota, 2 to 4 inches of accumulation. Now, some of this is going to melt on impact as we still have pretty warm conditions. We were record breaking today, so not all of this is going to accumulate right away. More likely to accumulate tomorrow night and into Saturday morning. As for the winds, we'll be blustery through tomorrow afternoon, but the strongest winds come into Saturday morning, the first half of our Saturday. Again, some places gusting upwards of 50 miles per hour. We'll have impacts in several ways. First and foremost with snow falling and then with blowing and drifting snow with those strong winds and leading to some icy and snowy roads as well. 53 right now here in Fargo, 48 in Moorhead. Still a beautiful evening to get out and enjoy before those changes arrive heading into tomorrow. Looking at your planning forecast, much colder for the weekend. Slight warm up on Monday, followed by a cold front Tuesday. But Courtney, we still have some 30s and 40s in the forecast, so it's not all bad, just a couple of hiccups.
And maybe not a white Christmas. That's pretty far out there, the 18th.
Looking now, yeah, we'll see.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed. Maybe it's just like 1 inch of snow. That'd be fine.
That'd be the best. Thanks, Summer. Stick around after the break. What city leaders in one Minnesota town are doing to tackle homelessness.